Hey people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do a box cake remix, and I call it a remix because I am not doing it from scratch. I am using the yellow box cake from our local brand JF Mills. So this is a product of Jamaica. Yes, so remix because I'm gonna use this cake, box cake mix, and I'm gonna add things to it, making it my own. So remix. I am also gonna add a little pineapple juice and grated coconut and eggs and vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna sift the cake mix. With the lumps, I'm just gonna rub off the lumps using the back of a spoon. Alright, so this is the cake mix sieve. So I'm gonna add 3 eggs. 3 eggs at room temperature. Eyes removed. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. This is 1 cup of pineapple juice. So now I'm gonna mix everything together.